Hi there everybody. On today's video I have this VW Golf 1.4 TSI petrol automatic. Just going to show you the location of the fuses. So I've got the manual here. According to the manual there are two fuse boxes. One is in the car and the other one is in the engine bay. So the manual also shows you there's a little key for pulling fuses. And that would be on the fuse box in the engine compartment. It gives you also the ratings according to color. So I don't know, the brown ones are 7.5 amps, light brown are 5 amps, and so on. Yellow are 20 amps. Now the ones that are inside of the car, this is a right-hand drive vehicle, so the fuses are behind the glove box. You have to pull the glove box down, and there are some tabs that we need to push in order to get this out. You do need to use a little bit of force to push these tabs in and get this out. So I already done it because I needed my two hands to do it. And then they show you here a list of fuses and which fuse is what. So fuse, say number F4 there, it tells you here F4 anti-theft alarm and so on. So that's the fuse list there. This is for the interior fuses. Now if we look at the actual thing, so this is the glove box here. I already opened it and got these bits out. So this is the tabs that we need to press. You have to press them up. Sorry, that's just come down all the way. You have to press them up in order to release the section of the glove box, that little clip, and there's two of them, so that's the other one there. They need to be pushed up for you to be able to pull that glove box out. Okay, so we can then find the fuse box in here, and you will notice that there's many fuses that are missing, are not in here, and that's just that's okay. That's just because the car doesn't have those functions. But the manual also highlights in blue all the fuses that are in use here. So you will notice that the fuses that are highlighted here in blue are the only ones they give you a list of in here. So they give us a list of the fuses that what they say are relevant to the driver. So I don't know, it could be, yeah, seat heating, exterior lights and so on. The other fuses that are in here are not listed in this fuse box, and they do ask you to contact VW if you need more information. So what I'm guessing is that these are fuses that are more common and that the average person, maybe without knowledge and stuff, can actually replace without causing any issues. Maybe the other fuses are more related to ECUs and things, so they don't list them. And same for the engine bay fuses here. The highlighted ones are actually shown in here, but the other fuses that are in there are not actually listed. And again, they also tell you that obviously depending on the vehicle and specification of the vehicle, the fuse numbers and positions may differ. If necessary, ask your Volkswagen dealer for the exact fuse layout. So now we're going to have a look at the fuses in the engine bay. These are highlighted, and also there's some relays. We also have relays here. All of these relays here, which are the these ones here. So there are some relays in there as well, but there are the fuses in there, and this is the list of what those fuses are for. And it also, the manual also shows you what a blown fuse would look like. The little filament inside will be broken like that, or like that, or like that. For a good fuse, we'll just have the whole thing complete. So now we can have a look at the fuses inside of the engine bay. So as you get your bonnet open, come here, and then to the right hand side there's this cover. Push on the clips on the sides, and that's where the fuses are. That's the key for pulling fuses, relays, and so on. So that's pretty much it. This is where you can find your fuses on these 2016 VW Golf, and I hope this video helps, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.